What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rico's Garage. It is your boy Rico. I'm here with the Silver Bullet 350Z, and we are about to go to our first car meet of 2021, and I am so excited because the Z finally runs, it finally drives, it cruises, it gets into boost. It doesn't have a whole lot of performance yet because I still am trying to get the fuel maps down before I start working with the timing maps to start making more power and everything. Because I just want to make sure everything's like dialed in and perfect before I kind of move to that stage. But so far everything's going really well. I'm really excited and I'm bringing you guys on for the journey. So yeah, let's go to the first car meet of 2021. Yee! Alright guys, so we got the Z making its first public appearance here. I am so happy to be able to get it out. Some other cool Miatas that showed up today to the meet. Gotta love it. It's awesome. Look at that spinny whoosh Miata. Thing is slick Rick right there. This is a rotary swap Miata. Thing is insane. It sounds so good. Yeah. Got a nice little yellow Miata, you know, for the yellow fans out there. And yeah. I think there's also a Corolla back there with a dope LED kit on it. Look how clean this thing is, though. Hell yeah. Rad. Look at that. Big old muffler. Sweet Jesus. Alright guys, so that was a fun little meet while it lasted and everything. So we are going to be jetting back to the garage for now. We're going to be working on the tune a little bit more. I found a couple of issues that I wasn't really liking, so I need to make some adjustments on the file and everything. But yeah, then little by little we're going to get there. So yeah, fun night though. Oh, look at that! A wild corn-fed G37. Yo, park it real quick in front of the garage and then just hop in.
In front of the garage?
Yeah. Alright guys, we are slowly getting this thing dialed in. I promise. I'll show you guys what we've been working with here. Yee! Gosh, this thing is fun to rip in. Alright, so I'm having a little bit of issues with the fueling. It's really just map scaling stuff that I have to get figured out and everything. It literally is just something that is kind of like trial and error, but I'd rather it be rich than lean. So little by little, she's gonna get to where we want to be. It's just a matter of time. That's all. Alright, let's go back. Let's go. All right. Yee. All right, so we got a wild corn-fed. Don't leave me, corn-fed.
Not leaving.
Come on, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Come on, Daniel. Oh, he got some GTR injectors. Yeah, buddy.
GTR injectors from
pull them out of the bag. Pull them out of the bag. Pull them out of the bag. Let's pull them out of the bag, bro.
I can kind of.
All right, so you guys can see, obviously, it has the Denso marking on it, which is the first indicator that it's a GTR injector. But the other big giveaway is obviously the color of the O-rings. You got a black one up here, and you got a green one down here. So, all right, so yeah, were you seeing that it says Denso, and there's that little stamp underneath?
It's supposed to be right underneath like that.
It's supposed to be right underneath, look just like that.
No DS. There should be no DS on the other side.
And then obviously you have your
letter stamp on that side.
Your markings there. Obviously, it has to have your 10 tips, your 10 openings, basically. 12 openings? Is it 12?
It's 12 on them.
12 on them. 10, 12, something like that. But these injectors look pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
But yeah, so
these are definitely real, though.
On this side, you got to have the letter stamp. If they don't have the letter stamp, they're not real.
Well, the more you know. All right, so obviously, we're here with Daniel and everything. So, Daniel, explain to the people, 2021, what are the plans for the corn-fed G37? And for you guys at home that don't know about the corn-fed G37, it is the fastest naturally aspirated G37 sedan in the world.
It is.
Without question. Click up above right here and you'll be able to catch that video now. But yeah, what are the plans for 2021, dude?
So, we are gonna get the G37 sedan. We are going to go for the NA VQ record, quarter-mile record, which is 1196 by Chad Devins, who holds the record at his 370Z. We're going to go for the NA record, so we'll see. We got some things to do. We already changed a few things. We're not going to tell you yet, but we already changed a couple things.
It's definitely going to be a lot of work and everything, but we're really looking forward to it. There's just so much done to this car and everything. I mean, you got Jim Wolf cams, you got a Tomei exhaust, you got ISR long tube headers, GTR injectors, the best fuel on the planet. You've got a tune that is just an absolute wild card tune by Martin from RS Enthalpy. My hair looks absolutely crazy right now. What is going on? Oh my gosh, I need to go to a barber tomorrow. Yo, if you think I need to get a haircut, please drop a comment right now. I need to hear what you think I should get for a haircut. And please, don't give me like a buzz cut or something. I appreciate that.
You get so many likes, I cut your hair. You're gonna get that corn-fed cut.
About to get that corn-fed cut. Bro, homie's about to pull out the clippers. Let's go, bro. Fucking E85 on them and everything. Damn, son. That's a little intense for me, but we'll see. But yeah, so obviously, corn-fed car, we'll dial it in, try to get the elusive 11 seconds. So as you guys can see, we got the new VQ Boys Performance banner on here and everything, which is slick. And then we also got... What you know about that new VQ BP decal? What? If you guys want to get yours right now, y'all need to go into the description. I got a promo code for you guys, and you'll be able to get some money off from VQ Boys Performance.
Yes, sir.
No question. This engine bay is looking mighty clean, my guy.
Thank you, man.
Mighty clean, bro. Look at this. Look at that wrinkled black and everything. Oh,
fresh oil change.
She's so pretty. She's about to get manifolds taken off of her and everything.
Yes, sir.
For those that are wondering as well, this car is running the throttle body adapters from Simplistic Garage, right?
Simplistic Garage 75mm throttle body adapters, and then the OEM Maxima throttle bodies that go to the adapters.
Well, there you go. And then obviously you got 3-inch intakes here, so it's got literally everything. This is literally a max effort G37, without a question.
And we do got the new manifolds from Trigger. He sent those out.
Nice.
We're gonna test those out on the dyno, see how they do.
Excellent. Then we'll bring a set of VQ Boys Performance ones just to get a little comparison going and everything.
Yeah,
see how it does and everything. We're excited for it though.
Oh yeah.
Got something cooking up real nice for it. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so I think that's gonna wrap things up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, though. I really appreciate it. As always, if you aren't already, click that subscribe button so you can see more of this beautiful face and all the other content that I'm gonna be bringing to you guys throughout the year and everything. We've got really big plans for 2021, especially with dialing in the 350Z. We've got Daniel's car. It's gonna be running 11s in it if everything goes according to plan, which it will, because this is Rico's Garage and that's what we do here. And then of course, guys, thank you guys so much for being a part of the journey and everything. Really appreciate all the support and everything, all the great comments you guys are giving me, all the great feedback and everything. And as always, keep pushing the limit. All right, later, guys.